How to merge PDF files using phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can easily merge PDF files using your phone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's just jump right into it. So you can merge PDFs on your phone using free online tools. There are a lot of different online tools available. So you can just head over to your Google Chrome or any other web browser and simply search for PDF merge. And after you search for it, there are a lot of different trusted tools available by Adobe, and also I Love PDF is a popular one. So you can choose whichever you want. So let's go ahead with adobe.com. Choose the website, and then all you have to do is tap on the select file button, and you'll need to select the files from your, so select the files, let's say these two files, and then tap on the select button on the top. After selecting those files, it will just take a moment and it will start combining those PDFs. So while this does that, you can just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, after it's done, it will provide you with the documents. There you can see it's been uploaded. Now select these two PDFs and then tap on the merge button. After you tap on the merge button, it will then start converting, basically just combining those two documents. And there you go, it's been downloaded. Tap on the download button and then download it. And after the download completes, you're good to go. And that's basically it, guys. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.